How's it going? Back at you with another demo. Tonight we have the Maddox double board. Check that baby out. It's a 2-inch NOAB. For its size, guys, this thing, well, for that matter, even a 3-inch. Like, I don't think I've ever really seen a 3-inch double break 9-shot NOAB, but a double breaking 2-inch NOAB, I tell you what, this thing is spectacular. Literally probably maybe the best one in my opinion I've gotten my hands on. I haven't shot a lot of these, but the ones that I have shot, I think this is the best one. So let me know what you think of it, and let's get this baby in the air.